Back in 2003, I got in touch with a company called Steelcase, which I'm sure you've heard of. It's a company that makes furniture. And they taught me about design thinking. They told me that there was this method that was called design thinking, that was an innovation method, and I wanted to make my life around that. So if you think that designers are very open and flexible, I had another thing coming. So trying to convince them that they should think of themselves as business people was one of the hardest things. We think of ourselves as a strategic innovation firm, right? What I mean strategic is that it's not only about ideas, it's not only about creativity, it's about understanding strategic issues and problems that companies have. So what do? We help visionary companies, right, remain relevant in fast-changing markets.